Yes. The side AB, BC and AD of a triangle ABC. This is question number 12. Exercise 6.3. Question number 12. Right? We have a triangle ABC. Side AB, BC and AD. Median AD. This is median. Are proportional to the sides PQ, QR and median PM. So what is given? AB is proportional to PQ, AD ratio PM equal to this BC upon QR, and we are supposed to prove triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Look at beta. Here come to proof. Come to proof. How will we prove it, beta? First of all, let's take this triangle, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM equal to BC upon QR. It is given. Now you know that BC is equal to twice of BD. Why? Because AD is median, and if AD is median, so median always meet the opposite side at the midpoint. So D will be the midpoint. And if D is midpoint, so BD and DC will be equal. And if BD and DC will be equal, so BC will be equal to BD plus DC. You can say BD plus BD. You can say twice of BD. So here you can write AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM equal to, this you can write twice of BD, and QR you can write twice of QM. AB upon this was all given. What I have done, I have written BC as twice of BD and QR as twice of QM. So cut it. So AB in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. AB upon PQ, this upon this, is equal to AD upon PM is equal to BD upon QM. So which similarity? By SSS similarity, triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQM. And if they are similar, so by CP, in there we say CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. Here we will say CPST, by CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. Now you take triangle complete ABC and complete triangle PQR. AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR, and angle B is equal to angle Q. This upon this is equal to this side upon this side, and this angle equal. So by SAS similarity, by SAS similarity, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. Look at it once again, बच्चे. Very simple and very important. And I tell you, bete, question 12 and 14 are twins question. Only both are twins question. Only there is a difference of just one point that I will tell you when I will be making you clear question number 14. Right? Look at this question once again. It is given that corresponding parts AB, PQ, BC upon QR, and this AD upon PM, they are given कि they are proportionate, and you have to prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. Now beta, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. This is given. तो BC जो है it is twice of BD, and QR जो है it is twice of QM. तो BC की जगह मैं twice of BD लिख सकती हूँ, QR की जगह I can write twice of QM. 2 cut. So AB upon PQ, AD upon PM is equal to BD upon QM. AB upon PQ, BD upon QM, AD upon PM. So SSS. So by SSS similarity, both these triangles are similar. Or if both these triangles are similar, angle B and angle Q will be equal by CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. Now what you will do, आप complete triangle ले लो, ABC and PQR. AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and angle B is equal to angle Q. The side, angle, side. By side, angle, side similarity, this triangle ABC and this triangle PQR both will be similar. I think it is clear. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. You can write in the chat box if you have any doubt. I am reading it along with. And take the screenshot also. Gautam, Ayush, Namita, okay, Anurag, good. Now better come to next question. Come to question number 13. D is a point. Figure is not given, है ना? You will have to make the figure beta. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. And D is any point on BC, such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. This one. It's given in triangle ABC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. And we have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. This we are supposed to prove. CA square is equal to CB into CD. बच्चे CA, CD, CB, CD, this one. Check it. How I will select the triangle. CD and I am talking about CB. This. So naturally you take one complete this triangle and take this triangle, ADC and ABC. Come to proof. I am taking triangle ABC complete and ADC. मैंने ADC क्यों लिया? मैंने CD को देख के, तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे CD चाहिए, तो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन ट्रायंगल ADC. और वैसे भी मुझे एंगल ADC का ही दिया हुआ है. दिस इज एंगल BAC is equal to angle ADC. It's given. You can say this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. It's given. No need to write it if you are writing this. Anything you can write. Angle C is common in ADC also and ABC also. ADC also and ABC also. Angle C is equal to angle C common. बच्चे ADC ट्राइंगल में एंगल 2 1 के इक्वल है, C उसका कॉमन है, तो व्हेन टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल थर्ड एंगल ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वल. तो थर्ड एंगल को देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट, you need not to write, you just write by AA criteria. लिख दोगे then also doesn't harm, it doesn't make any difference. If you write AAA by ASM property, that is also correct. By AA also you can write triangle ABC will be similar with triangle ADC. And if they are similar, now you look at this, what you are supposed to prove. मुझे प्रूव करना है CA square is equal to CB into CD. So if the two triangles are similar, you know their sides ratios are, sides are proportion. Their sides are in proportion. So what proportion I am taking? CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. You will say ki ma'am, how have you written it? This is the very mess over here. The one triangle is this, one is this one. For writing the proportionate side, you can focus on the two given also. CA into CA, this is 2 times. CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. So bring one, either you can write CA upon CB is equal to CD upon CA, this is also correct. Or you can write CA upon CB is equal to, CD is equal to CB upon CA, as you want to write, as you feel convenient. क्योंकि you are taking here sides proportion, so proportionate side you can take, either you can take this first, this first, it doesn't make any difference. So CA, this triangle side upon CD, छोटे triangle की side, is equal to CB, बड़े triangle की side upon CA, छोटे triangle की side. CA bigger triangle, CD smaller triangle, then CB bigger and CA smaller. So do the cross, CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. It come out to be CA square is equal to CB into CD. This is very easy to take the guess. This guess you can take from the to prove thing also. Otherwise, I am telling you, आप इसके साइड एंगल देखो, इसके ऑपोजिट CB साइड, एंगल 2 के अपोजिट CA, तो CB अपॉन CA इज इक्वल टू इसके दूसरे कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आप और अदर साइड यू कैन टेक. So very simple it is. First you will take this triangle, small one, ADC, and bigger one. In the small triangle, this ADC and bigger, this angle 2 of small equal to this angle 1 of bigger, and angle C is common in both. So by AA similarity, this smaller triangle is similar to bigger triangle. So you can write the proportionate side, and according to that you can write the this result which we have to find out. Any doubt? Any doubt? Write in the chat box. Any doubt? Okay, good. Beta, you all can write in the chat box. Namita has given me the response. I really appreciate some of the children, those who take very much great initiative to give the responses. But other students should also be active. Come to now question number 14, beta. Tushar also has given. Good. In question 14, this is also look like same of as 12th question, but there is a little difference. Very good, Khushi, Karman, good. Side AB, again we have this triangle ABC. And PQR. PQR, na? Yes, PQR. It is given that AB, AC and median AD, they are proportional to PQ respectively, means in sequence only you will move PR and median PM. वहां क्या डिफरेंस था? वहां पर ये था बेटा AB, BC और मीडियन, AB, BC यानी बेस और मीडियन, और यहां पर क्या है AB, AC और मीडियन यानी दो साइड्स के बीच वाला मीडियन. यहां पर ये फर्क है. वहां पर क्या था? AB थी, AB तो दोनों में थी, वहां पर बेस था और मीडियन था. जो मीडियन जो है इस तीसरी साइड से हटके था. यहां पर क्या है? AB, AC अपॉन मीडियन, तो यहाँ पे इन दोनों साइड से निकलता हुआ मीडियन. ये डिफरेंस है दोनों में. और क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए स्पेस चाहिए तो आई एम राइटिंग इट लिटिल बिट डाउन, है ना? आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन. गिवन इज AB, AC and AD, PQ, PR upon PM, and you have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. You have to prove that these two triangles are similar. So beta, what we will do, see, here we need to do construction. And what construction I am doing? Produce, ध्यान से सुनना बच्चे, AD to E such that, ST means such that AD is equal to DE and join EC. Join EC. Similarly, extend PM to PN, extend PM to PN such that PM is equal to MN and join NR. Right? Come to proof. Very good, Chehak. Come to proof. First of all, better take these two triangles, ABD and triangle CD. AD equal to DE, given we have done by construction, right? BD is equal to DC because D will be the midpoint because AD is median. So BD is equal to DC because D is midpoint, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 vertically opposite angles. Which congruency? Side angle side. By SAS congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDE, and by CPCT then AB and CE will be equal. AB will be equal to CE. Clear? Similarly, PQ will be also equal to NR. Similarly, PQ will be equal to NR. So now if we are writing AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR equal to AD upon PM, तो AB की जगह I can write CE और PQ की जगह I can write NR, AC upon PR और AD की जगह I can write twice of AD upon twice of PM. मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, और डबल ऑफ AD हो जाएगा आपका AE और डबल ऑफ PM हो जाएगा आपका PN. अब मैंने क्या किया बेटा, और ऐसा क्यों किया, क्योंकि मैं पहले ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करके आई हैव प्रूव दिस इक्वल टू दिस, सिमिलरली दिस इक्वल टू दिस. अब मैं इस सेट की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रही हूं, इस सेट की तरफ, और इस सेट की तरफ शिफ्ट होने के लिए आपको पता है ये अपॉन ये गिवन है, ये अपॉन ये गिवन है और ये अपॉन ये गिवन है, ये तो गिवन है. तो मैंने AB की जगह मैंने C ये लिख दिया और यहाँ PQ की जगह ये लिख दिया. तो अब मेरे पास ये दोनों साइड आ गई और इसका ये इक्वल थे, इन दोनों का डबल डबल कर दिया तो ये पूरा AE और PN भी आ गया. अब देखा जाए तो दिस अपॉन दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस. तो बाय ये आपकी आ गई, तीनों साइडें आ गई. तो बाय SSS सिमिलैरिटी, ट्राइंगल क्योंकि साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन की बात कर रहे हैं तो सिमिलैरिटी की बात करेंगे. व्हेन द साइड्स इक्वल तो वी डू टॉक अबाउट कॉन्ग्रुएंसी. तो बाय SSS सिमिलैरिटी triangle ACE will be similar to triangle PRN, and if they are similar, so by CPST angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. By corresponding parts of similar triangle, angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Similarly बच्चे एंगल 5, अगर यहाँ पे ये कंस्ट्रक्शन इसकी जगह इधर को कर देते, ये रिवर्स इधर को कर देते, तो सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 6 ऑल्सो. You add up, this is equation 1, this is 2, add 1 and 2, angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 6. एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 5 बनता है आपका एंगल A, 4 और 6 बनता है आपका एंगल P. A और P दे आर इक्वल. नाउ यू टेक ट्राइंगल बेसिक जिनको आपने प्रूव करना है, ABC एंड ट्राइंगल PQR. एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल P, AB इसका AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल टू AC अपॉन PR. So this upon this is equal to this upon this, and this angle complete equal to this angle complete. So by SAS similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Look at this question beta once again. This question is a little bit difficult from the previous one. That was very simple. Here we have to do construction, so naturally with construction part, proof part also has increased. So let us see. करा क्या है? We are given this upon this, AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, AD upon PM equal given. We have to prove that this complete triangle and this complete triangle both are similar. What construction we have done? We have extended AD to EE such that AD will be equal to DE and join CE. Similarly, we have extended PM to N such that PM is equal to MN and join NR. Clear? Now, bache, what we will do? First of all, we will prove this. In first case, you will take this triangle. Second case, you will take this set. Third case, you will take this complete set. 3 स्टेप हैं. पहले स्टेप में इन दो को लोगे, दूसरे स्टेप में इन दो को लेंगे और तीसरे स्टेप में इस कंप्लीट ट्राइंगल को लोगे. In first step, let's take these two triangles. This side equal to this side because D is a midpoint. AD is equal to DE because we have done construction like that. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. So by SAS congruency, here we have congruency because we are talking about sides equal, not proportionate. So when sides equal, angle same, so it's congruency. These two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, AB will be equal to CE. Similarly, PQ will be equal to NR. Yani this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. Now shift to this side. You know it is given AB upon PQ, AC upon PR and AD upon PM. What I have done, I have multiplied this by 2 and this by 2. तो AD का डबल किया, AE आ गया, PM का डबल PN. और in place of AB I have written CE, in place of PQ I have written NR. तो देखा जाए तो ये साइड अपॉन ये साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड अपॉन दिस साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड अपॉन दिस साइड. So these two triangles by SSS similarity, this upon this, this upon this and this upon this, triangles are similar. By similarity, by CPST, this angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Right now our set of construction is to this side. If you shift it to this side, then angle 5 and 6 will also be equal. Similarly, you can write angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Doesn't matter, but a class is going to over, doesn't matter. Just wait. This triangle, this is equal to this. So angle 4, 3, 5, 4 equal, 5 and 6 equal. So 3 plus 5 will be equal to 4 plus 6. Angle A will be equal to angle P. Now take ABC and PQR. This upon this is equal to this upon this is equal to this angle equal to P angle. Side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Both the triangle ABC and PQR both are similar. Tell me, is it clear to all of you? Any doubt? Acha, lower part is not visible. Okay, good, good, good. Right. So, beta, please do these questions. Question 15 and 16 are left, right? I will be telling you it in the next class. And